If you want to charge Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then we have two main methods that allow you to do so. The wired method and the wireless method. And first I'm going to actually mention the wireless method. So if you have a wireless charger, you can just simply place your phone on top of the wireless charger and it is going to start charging straight away. Of course, if it doesn't happen, you need to move the phone slightly up or down a little bit, or just essentially center it on the wireless charger. Now, it doesn't really have to be the wireless charger. It can also be the charger in your car, for example, or anywhere else. Just wireless charging in general is supported on this phone. So you should be able to charge your phone even without a cable if you have the option to do so. But still, the best way to actually charge your phone, your Motorola Edge 70 Pro, is by using a cable. Now, of course, you want to ideally use the original cable that we have inside the box, but in case something happens with that cable, then of course you can also use pretty much any other USB cable. I, for example, use USB-A to USB-C cable, so it is different to the cable that we have originally. But this is because I have a power adapter with USB-A port, so of course it requires me to use this kind of cable. And still, it works just fine. Of course, cables may not be able to, for example, transfer data, so this is something that you need to keep in mind. Still, since we are talking about charging, you can use pretty much anything that allows you to charge your phone, anything that provides power via USB cable. So ideally, this has to be the charger or power adapter. This is, of course, the best solution, and it provides the fastest charging speed, usually, so of course this is going to be the best option. But if you are in a situation where you cannot use the power adapter, or you don't have a power adapter just yet, and you need to charge your phone, then in that case, like I said, you can use pretty much anything that provides power via USB cable. So this can be your computer, or like PC or laptop, and maybe even your console, your car, power bank, you can name it. So as you can see, as you can probably understand by now, there are multiple different ways to actually charge with a cable. You can connect your phone to pretty much anything that has USB port, as long as that device has the option to charge other devices. Then of course, most likely it is going to work with your phone as well. Of course, you need to keep in mind that not everything allows you to use the same power to charge your phone, because of course power adapters are usually the best. They allow you to use the most watts to charge the phone, so that's why they are the best option. Whereas computers, for example, are very slow with charging devices. They are usually used to just transfer files, but still they provide some power, and they can actually technically charge batteries. So you can of course give it a try if you have to. And that is pretty much all in the case of charging methods. Now, if you want to charge and you don't really know how to actually connect the phone to a charger, then of course first we connect it to the charger over here. I'm just gonna put it into the power socket immediately. And then of course it goes into the bottom of the phone where we have the USB-C port, and we are charging. Simple as that. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.